Hi there, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this gorgeous Nissan X-Trail. It's a 1.6 dCi Tekna 4-wheel drive and this 66 plated vehicle has covered just over 58,000 miles and is now available from Motor Match Crewe. With this being a Motor Match vehicle, it will come with either a 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty. Additional services are also available. If this vehicle does interest you throughout the video, then please get in touch on 01270 864 408 and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help. Starting with the front, and you're presented with a fantastic bi-LED headlights complete with high beam assist which help in a wide range of driving conditions. The menacing gloss black honeycomb radiator grille follows with a subtle chrome accent and lower black and silver front bumper, creating a really sophisticated aesthetic. This X-Trail also wears the gorgeous 19-inch machine cut alloy wheels which really do complement this vehicle. Lower black door trim follows, along with the classy chrome door handles and electrically adjustable door mirrors featuring integrated indicators. Chrome window surround follows, which ties in nice with the rear privacy glass, ideal for backseat passengers, and this vehicle is also equipped with silver roof rails, ideal in a range of activities. Stepping into the rear interior, and you're presented with the gorgeous rear leather seats featuring integrated ISOFIX points. Door speakers follow, along with dual air vent and rear luggage pouches, perfect for backseat passengers. Progressing towards the rear of the vehicle now, and you're presented with a subtle yet sporty body-coloured integrated roof spoiler, along with the continued rear privacy glass and relevant Nissan model badging which is featured in chrome, followed by the subtle lower black rear bumper. This Nissan X-Trail also features an electric tailgate, which means one simple button press will automatically open the boot lid, like so, revealing access to a generous amount of boot space. That's 550 litres to be precise, which could comfortably accommodate up to 2 large suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. There is also a rear deployable boot cover, as demonstrated, which is perfect for covering your personal belongings. Lifting up the boot flooring will also reveal extra space and a spare space saver wheel. As you can see, there is plenty of space here, and in order to close, simply press the button which is located here on the bottom of the boot lid and it will close automatically. A really nice and convenient feature, a very practical vehicle indeed. Progressing towards the other side of this Nissan X-Trail, and you can really begin to appreciate just how gorgeous this vehicle looks even on a dull day like today, complemented beautifully by the 19-inch alloy wheels. Jumping inside, and you're presented with the gorgeous multifunctional leather trim steering wheel, along with a semi-digital instrument cluster and a neatly designed centre console housing a touchscreen display. Door speakers follow, along with the brilliant leather electrically adjustable front seats with heated functionality and an opening panoramic roof, which truly enhances the cabin experience for both you and your passengers. Returning towards the front of this gorgeous Nissan X-Trail now, and that concludes our 360-degree tour. Next we will be jumping inside to explore what the display has to offer. Sitting inside, and as you can see, this is a lovely place to be. Panning to the right, and you're presented with multiple controls such as window controls, locking controls and door mirror adjustments. Panning back to the left, you're presented with various multifunctional steering wheel controls such as audio, cruise control, and you are also presented with the clean and responsive semi-digital instrument cluster. Panning to the left once more reveals a fantastic central display housing a range of functions such as radio, allowing you to choose from a vast array of your favourite radio stations. A telephone option is also provided, allowing you to connect your device via Bluetooth, which is perfect for conducting hands-free calls. CD and auxiliary are also available, along with navigation, which is also built in, which provides you with yet another clean and responsive layout, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning that you will get to your next destination in no time at all and feel stress-free throughout. Additional traffic updates can also be accessed, which is a really nice and convenient feature, and setup options are also available, along with a rear reversing camera with guidelines assisting you in and out of tight spaces. Lower down houses a fabulous dual zone climate control, perfect for setting individual temperatures. Lower power outputs follow, along with a leather trimmed gear selector, dual cup holders and armrest storage. Thank you for watching this video on this incredible Nissan X-Trail 1.6 dCi Tekna 4-wheel drive, which is part of our Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. An RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years is also available, along with flexible finance packages. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us today on 01270 864 408 and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help.